So my name is Dan Tucker, and I'm the Program Manager for the Whatcom Working Waterfront Coalition. The coalition is a group of businesses or coalition that take a particular interest in the waterfront development that goes on here in Whatcom County and also nationwide. We're seeing a lot of businesses nowadays being displaced along the waterfront. What happens is, and we're seeing this all across the United States, once these businesses move out, the economic vitality of the region falls, the resiliency falls, and there's lasting impacts to the regional and local economies where these businesses are no longer able to operate. So the coalition exists primarily to advocate for those businesses to have a space. The maritime economy, in particular the maritime sector, is one of the last places where you can come in to get a job with no experience, with no knowledge, and be able to grow within your position and learn as you go. In a lot of other fields right now, you need a lot of upfront cost, you need to spend years at school, whereas the maritime economy, you can jump right in, start earning while you're learning. And so I've been a product of that myself, having come in not knowing anything right out of college, and now I am here advocating on behalf of other businesses that provide those opportunities for people. The Whatcom Working Waterfront Coalition provides value to members in three primary areas. The first is that we are primarily an advocacy group. So all of the businesses that are a member of our coalition can come to us with issues along the waterfront that they want help with or that they see as something that needs to be spoken up for. And when we go to the port, when we go to the city, when we go to the county entities or other jurisdictions and say, this is an issue that our membership finds needs to be dealt with, that's 140 businesses behind our voice telling that entity that they need to take a look at this. Things that we've been able to do are get rent decreases for qualifying tenants. We've been able to get interpretive signage put in. The second way that we provide value is by being an information hub. We put out newsletters. We do a radio program with waterfront news and stories to help keep our membership informed and our community informed. And finally, we want to be a network for our membership. When we first got together as a coalition, we put out to members a survey and said, what are the top 3 issues that you find are really making it challenging for you to do business down here in Whatcom County? 2 of the biggest answers that we got back, we've addressed. The first being workforce development. On-the-job training is one thing, professional instruction is another thing. How do you blend them together? So we started an apprenticeship program. That's a 4-year program. At the end of it, they get a journeyman level certification. By far, one of the biggest things that our members said, we can't keep our employees because they're getting better offers elsewhere. What can we do? Well, we got together and we said, let's offer a health trust. Healthcare in the United States has always been a challenge, and one of the ways that we decided to help out with this was by seeing what we could do to make good, affordable plans available for our membership. Partnering with Primera, partnering with a couple of other TPAs, we were able to launch this just 2 years ago, and in that time, we have more than doubled the capacity of participants. We're growing, and it's exciting to see that our members are finally able to take advantage of these really good group plans and being able to also come back to us and say, you know what, we didn't drop anybody this year. Everyone decided to stay with the company because we're offering them things that they can afford to live on. Healthcare to me has been a game changer. When I was able to get covered, one of the first things that I did was take myself in to get a physical. I hadn't done one in over 10 years. And the peace of mind that comes with that is immense. And that means that I'm not only taking care of my physical health, I'm taking care of my mental health just by taking care of my physical health, which, by the way, Primera also offers behavioral health services. If you're not a member of the Whatcom Working Waterfront Coalition, I would encourage you to join. You don't have to be a member of the maritime sector in order to do so. If you join, you are helping to promote the economic diversity and vitality of a working waterfront here in Whatcom County and an affordable and livable city for us all.